So this is a tutorial on online testing platform. Students can take self-tests for exam preparation. 4 options, 5 options, fill blanks, all are available. And you can configure one question to appear in multiple tests. This means maintenance is easy. And you will have to obtain access from us and then open the Hoven control panel that you already use. Search for a student license and enter the login ID of the student you want to create on our online interface. License doesn't exist, some error I made, so now click OK. We want to allow this student to appear. So this is license on the online control panel. On your video interface, these are the packages and this link will be visible. When you click this link, the account of the user student will be created on your interface and you will also be able to log in. So let us click on sync. Sync means it will update or create whatever is required. So this license is created on the online testing interface. I'll show that interface in a moment. Similarly for the second one. So this is also created and updated. So this creates packages, everything for you on your interface. So now you will have to open the controller application that you have obtained and open the controller application, and through that controller application you will be able to access your online testing platform. You can control your students and create tests. The login ID is same as your password, you can change it later on. The login ID is same as you use there. As you can see, everything is already created for you. Both the packages are there, the login IDs are also there. Your user licenses last 50 are shown and you can select a search a student and we can add it. So we want to change the name. By default name is same as student ID. So these are all there. You might want to alter the quota, the number of tests a student can take, and we can give a readable name to the student. Any remarks can be given, and if a student forgets his password, you can use this reset password to reset the password of the student, and we can close. And similarly we can edit the other license also. Give a name, any name you want to give, any remarks, and save it. Once you have set the student, then you can close and come back. You can change your own password also. You can give any password you want for yourself. This password will be on this online testing platform, and your packages are already created, as you can see here. A name for the package is not given by us, so you will have to give a friendly name for each package. For example, I give a name, let us say some exam, and I can save it. Similarly, I can give a name for the second package. So these names are seen by student also, and you can also use them to recall later. Now we can manage chapters of a package. Give a name for your chapter. So this is some physics exam November. So this is a chapter that we have added, and each chapter it will contain tests, and here you can give a name for the test. Right marks is 1. We give a name mock test 1, let us say. You can add as many tests as you like. 400 means plus 4. They are stored as multiples of 100. Wrong marks means minus 1 for a wrong answer. And sort order means relative ordering. You can use it to order your tests relatively up and down, move up and down. So as you can see, right plus 4, wrong this. You can add it if you want. If you make some change, you can always change. And then we can add questions also. So this is the add questions box, which is, now you can see all various options. Whatever question you want to add, you can tick that. Your choice will be remembered. Similarly, you can add to which tests it will go. It will go to our mock test. And this is snipper. It will allow you to copy paste a question into your box from a PDF file or a Word file. So I'll open one PDF. So this is a PDF of questions, and I'll now put this into question 1. I'll adjust the height, and once I'm okay, click on snip. And when you click on snip, the question will appear pasted, and you can choose the type. Red star means you have to provide an answer, and the online tests you have already selected. So this question goes into your online test. And now let us do for the next question. You will have to make a bit, but it becomes quite easy. I've seen it becomes quite easy once you get used, because everything is also now remembered, so that you can just make a few changes where these are all already saved. So you have to just keep on snipping and click on save. So second question also goes. Another question, let's try. Now we can scroll and increase the height to get the third question also. Snip it. The third question also goes, and everything is saved. You just have to put the right answer here and then save this question. So this question also goes into the exam, and you can put the fourth question also and snip. So fourth question also goes, and we can save it. So all these questions now enter, and you can close it and come back. And you will have to do a bit of study here and there also, because there are a lot many features. Now let's see the questions as they appear. You can add any optional instruction as you see before questions that appears. Maybe after you can say next 4 questions you will need to do this, like that. So these instructions are also usually given for a batch of questions. Save. These are saved. You can edit a question in whatever way you like. So this is quite a complex software. You can get used to it by exploring yourself also. And you can preview this test also. And this is how the student will see, but it is a preview, so time left is not shown. When you click on review later, an orange will be shown to the student so that he can mark it for a review later. Quick jump to second question, to third, and to fourth also. Now if you click submit, it will, because it is a preview, your preview, not students. I will show how the student will use it later on. This is for your preview. Save and publish. This will cause it to be updated to your cloud. So this is what your students will be now able to take. I'll show in another video how your students will actually use it, and We can now log off. This is all what has to be done. I will close everything right now. So thanks.